Stop. Are you making these grammatical errors every time you speak or write in English? Let me help you to correct them. Hi everyone, this is Jagriti from Heyday English. I teach real English for real life. I would say a lot of Indians do make these mistakes, but हमारा सिर्फ नाम खराब है. Mostly हर कोई ये mistake करता है. So let's get into it. So the first one is over usage of myself. जब भी हम अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, I have heard a lot of times people would say myself Jagriti. No, I am Jagriti or my name is Jagriti. Second one can be I myself did this. It is not incorrect, but I would say we just put myself to sound more fancy here, right? So I did it is also correct. We can use just rather than using so much verbiage, we can just say I did it. Myself is used for reflexive pronoun. For example, I taught myself English. So I am the receiver. That's why I'm saying myself. Or I can say, I myself baked this cake. I am saying I myself baked this cake in order to put emphasis. तो अगर आपको किसी को प्रूव करना होता है कि मैंने ही करा है ये चीज, तो you can say I myself baked this. The second one is, and it's a biggest turn off, is did plus second form of the verb. So did you ate this? Or I did not went there? No, it's incorrect. So did के साथ हम हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज करते हैं. She did not go there. Did you eat this? Did you try it? Things like that. So rather than saying second form of the verb, just learn this rule. Did, do, does के साथ हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज होती है. कभी भी कोई और चीज कभी यूज नहीं होगी. Like you can write it down. I would say no exceptions. Third can be usage of in, on, or at. Let me make it better and clearer for you. So at is used for very small thing or very specific thing. For example, time. I woke up at 9 a.m. at that particular time, specific time. When we use on is used for the days. On is used for the dates. For example, I was born on November 7. I was born on a Friday. At से थोड़ा सा bigger picture देता है ये. Next is in. In is mostly used for really, like, way bigger than you can think. For example, at or on. Example, we can say week के बारे में हम in use कर सकते हैं during that week, in that week, or we can use it for months, or we can use it for years. I was born in 1997. I was born in the month of November. So bigger picture, right? So at सबसे छोटा, on थोड़ा उससे बड़ा, और फिर सबसे बड़ा in. I hope this makes sense. The next one is bring versus take. I have noticed a lot of people have this confusion and a lot of people make this mistake. So let's correct it. Bring is always towards the speaker. Take is always away from the speaker. That's the easiest way to learn. So don't say, please take this gift to me. No, please bring that gift to me, towards me. So bring is towards speaker and take is to like away from the speaker. Okay. Next one is double negatives. I have heard a lot of people saying, I don't need no help. No, it's double negative. It's not correct in English and we shouldn't use it. So we should always use like, I don't need help. Always one time English and it's clear. I don't like neither of it. No, I don't like either of it. So one negative is enough to make a sentence negative. Less versus few. Less is used for countable nouns. few is used for uncountable nouns. आपको इसी तरीके से याद रखना है. So rather than saying I have few friends in Canada, I would rather say I have less friends in Canada because I can count them. The next one is since versus for. So let's make it easy to understand. If I talk about a duration, right? So किसी मैं एक duration, time duration की बात करती हूँ, I will use for. अगर मैं किसी point of time की बात करती हूँ, I will be using since. For example, I have been living in Canada since 2021. तो मैंने एक point of time की बात करी है, तो मैं since use कर रही हूँ. For मैं बोलूंगी I have been living in Canada for more than 4 years now. क्योंकि मैंने ड्यूरेशन 4 साल की बात करी है तो इसीलिए मैंने for यूज करा है. The next one is then versus than. Then is used for time or sequence. एक के बाद एक. So I woke up in the morning, then I went to the washroom, then I had a cup of tea. So I am talking about a sequence or एक एक्शन, मतलब इसके बाद ये हुआ और किसी टाइम की. Than is used for comparison. So I am better than him. Than, मैं दो लोगों को कंपेयर कर रही हूँ और मैं बोल रही हूँ कि मैं उससे बेटर हूँ. तो कंपेयर करने के लिए हम THAN लगाते हैं. The next one is there versus there. If you would hear it properly, I said it, I pronounced it differently. The first one is there, THEIR. ये possessive वाला adjective है. So there is, for example, उनका. ये उनके bags हैं. So these are their bags. उनका. मैं relation बता रही हूँ bags का किसी के साथ. THERE is there. जब मैं demonstrative के बारे में बात करती हूँ. For example, जब मैं इशारा करके ये मेरा बैग है. There is my bag. मेरा बैग वो रहा. In Hindi, मेरा बैग वो रहा. There is my bag. So in these cases, we use there and there separately. Easier way to learn it is this. अगर मैं arrow करके बता रही हूँ, which is direction, easy way to remember. And the next one is there. मैंने यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा man बनाया है और like human बनाया है, जिससे हमें पता चले कि ये possessive है, उनका relation बताता है किसी चीज का किसी के साथ में. So these were few mistakes that we make while speaking in English or writing in English. So I hope this would make sense. And the next time, whenever you will be using it, please think of my stare. Also, if you like the video, please like, comment, and share. And also, please don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to come up with a lot of new videos. So I teach real English for real life. Heyday English by Jack.